Right now might not be the time of year that you're thinking about making outdoor upgrades, but it absolutely should be because you can take advantage of some great savings. So I'm here at a house today with JR from All Seasons Windows and Patios talking about bundling upgrades together, and we have great savings to offer in a minute. But what are some of the projects that this house shows off?
Well, All Seasons, the name implies that we do almost everything in all different seasons. From the time you walk out your door, we can do pavers, patio covers, concrete, motorized screens. And when it gets cool, like right now this time of year, if you want to enclose your patio, we call it a sunroom, so you can enjoy that year round.
So we have a lot of options when it comes to keeping us shaded, but also what we're walking on below.
That's right.
Little artificial turf in there.
Artificial turf, railing, fencing, decking. All Seasons can do it all. And now's the time to take advantage of our pricing, because we're offering the best price of the year.
So why is that? Why is it right now is the best time?
Well, it's winter. People don't like to go outside as much, but some of the things that we do offer can help you enjoy your patio year round. And also we want to keep our guys busy.
Contractor seasonality is a great kind of insider secret that we can take advantage of. Well, Approved Home Pros, we love sharing those little secrets with you because it's natural for the business. It's not a desperation fire sale. It's just the downtime where we want to make sure that everyone's keeping busy and there's great savings that homeowners can take advantage of.
That's right.
So what is the special that we're running right now?
Well, right now, if you bundle package some of our offers together, you can save up to 25% on your entire project, which is we've never had before.
No, that's absolutely huge. We're talking a quarter of the price.
That's right.
Just gone because we can. That might make the difference between someone who's able to do the project and who's not.
That's right.
So what is it like to work with All Seasons?
Well, again, with All Seasons, we provide everything. So you can come down if you only have a small project in mind. Don't think that we only do large projects. We don't. You can come down to our showroom. It's open 6 days a week, and you can see all the things that we offer.
And of course, this home is just such a great example of these many projects that got bundled together. So call All Seasons today or find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.